Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming compatibility. Some USB-C earphones require audio adapters or specific drivers. Once done, charge the Nord above 20% and quit media apps so the phone switches audio cleanly. Make sure the USB-C plug and phone port are clean, lightly blow or use compressed air, because debris can block detection. You want the physical connection solid before software steps. Plug the earphones straight in, do not force or wiggle, and watch for the audio icon or an immediate sound cue. Once the earphones are connected, you should see a headphone icon or a system prompt. Respond to it if presented. Open Settings, go to Sound and Vibration, then Media Output to verify the device is selected. Sometimes the phone keeps Bluetooth active, so switch manually if required. Play a familiar test track and adjust volume slowly. You want to confirm both left and right channels work. If audio sounds flat, enable Dolby or the equalizer and retest, because processing can improve clarity and balance. To finish, lock in your preferred sound settings and test voice calls and messaging apps, since mic routing can differ from media output. If you get no sound, unplug and replug, then reboot the phone. That often forces hardware redetection. If still dead, try another USB-C earphone or a known working adapter to isolate the problem. As a last step, clear the system cache and check for system updates. If detection still fails, consider an OTG audio adapter as a workaround or contact.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.